Legends of Crypto, welcome back to Navigating Crypto. My name is Clênio Campolino for those who don't know me, and I'm your host on this channel, mate. I will guide you, I will show you everything crypto, guys, everything crypto, okay? And today we're talking about price again. It's just a price update. We were chatting last time about Bitcoin and like a possible move up, and well, guess what? It did move up, so let's have a look on that. And we also catch up on Ethereum, see like what was happening there as well. We chat about that, and there was an extra coin that we were talking today that's on the brink to move. It's like it's already started maybe, and I want to talk about it. I want to talk about it so you guys are aware, okay? Before anything, just for those that don't know, like just remembering everybody, nothing on this channel, guys, is financial advice, okay? Nothing on this channel is financial advice. So let's have a look. Let's have a look what we're thinking now, and just keep it short, just a quick update so you guys know what we're talking about, what we're thinking, and what to expect, and let's chat, okay? Let's go. So this is the Bitcoin chart that we were talking last time. And as you guys can see, like the same channels that we were talking last time and everything. And remember, we're talking about a break on this channel. We had just broke through that, so we had like a small move here and we're moving up. This we have like highlighted on this video today, this rising wedge here. As you guys can see, the price was forming this wedge here, and I was concerned about maybe coming down and testing the lower range here of this wedge, and then maybe breaking down and doing that correction that we were talking about. But we actually broke up, guys. Yeah, so we went up, and Bitcoin is trading now at $47,200. Oh my God, $47,000 and $200. Well, fairly cheap. If we go, if we headed to this region, right? Still like in time to get in. If you guys didn't have anything in, well, the reason why I recorded the other video the other day, the first one, is that I wanted to tell you guys as early as possible, because that move was, we were just breaking through this channel here. So I wanted to tell you guys as early as possible. So those of you who were willing to buy, well, the hint was there. Of course, nothing is decided yet. What, everything can happen. Everything can happen always, guys. It doesn't mean that because we're moving up, and we did move like over a good range here, and I'll talk about that in a sec. It doesn't mean it can go down, and we will chat about this a little bit as well. Okay, so just for those who missed the first video, we were chatting about these channels here. And by the way, I increased the lines because I saw in the last video the lines weren't that big, so I increased on this one, make them thicker, just see if we can improve everything. And you guys let me know if there is anything we can improve, okay? You guys watching there, just send us a message and like leave a comment in the video. Oh, look, I would like this, that, it's hard to see this or that, I couldn't understand. Just let us know and we can chat in the next videos, okay? So we're talking about this big range, this big channel here, the green one, and how we were finding support at the middle of the range here, and also the orange one, which is seems like we tested the lower range of that channel, and we're now moving upwards. So tested 3 times pretty much, 1, 2, 3, and then we found support, lots of bulls behind Bitcoin over here, and here we are going up, okay? The thing about the wedge is not necessarily had to break up, it had to move upwards. We could have something like this, like we had in the past, and this is what I was afraid of. If we go up, then test and break down, retest here, confirming that we broke up, let's go move sideways for a bit, and then boom, go down. Okay, so I was thinking we could have something like that. Thank God we did not. We are moving up, so just wanted to show you guys so you know next time what we're talking about. Okay, the really good thing here, and I'll even move to, like, let's do this here first. The really good thing that I saw about Bitcoin here was that we finally broke up on this range. As you can see that the price was like it came up fast, and then it slowed down. It was like testing, people probably selling here, wasn't unsure if we're going up or down, and then boom, I had this big move here, then brought us to the 47, 46 ish, and then today we're going up to the 47,000. I'm sorry guys, still recovering from COVID, so if I cough, I'm sorry, that's the reason. So yes, let's have a look at another view from Bitcoin. Like I said, you can have many views, and what we're seeing here on one channel, like on like it can be true to a certain point, but then like the real channel, or the majority of people that are buying and selling Bitcoin, are probably following another channel. So it's always good to see all the possibilities, and you keep in mind what could happen. Okay, so another view of the same thing is these other channels here. This one is the same one we have there, so I kept it a little bit like transparent there, just so we keep see, we're testing the lower range and we're going up, so just so we have in mind like what we're seeing in the other chart and what we're seeing now. And this is the channel I was talking about, slightly moved to lower, and so this one is like, would be a movement not when we're testing the top of the channel, like the dark green one here, but we're actually on top of that, and then we move down again, and then we tested at the top again sorry, and then we're going down. So if this was to be the play, like if this is, and we will know, only time will tell us, guys. Well, we only know in the future, but if this is what is going to play, this move up that we're seeing now, and see, we can see the same wedge there, it's just a test on the middle range. So see this this white dashed line here, this is just the middle line on this orange channel here, this one. And what we're doing is just we're coming back here and just testing it again, and if we fail to, we could move downwards. Okay, as you can see, we still have like a little bit of room, so we probably see Bitcoin going a bit further, 48,600 here. I'm saying this because we did this in the past. We came to the top part here, so we will probably, like being this close, we probably will test that, and then will be the moment of truth, right? It will be like when we'll decide what's gonna happen. And one thing I want to tell you guys is what probably could happen is we go here, test this upper range of the channel, and then move back, because this is a pretty important level, as you guys can see. We tested, failed, we tested, failed, tested, failed, tested, failed, and then finally broke up, and sorry, we finally broke that level. So I would expect, guys, something like touching this channel, unless something crazy happens, like Elon Musk comes out there and say like, oh, I'm buying Bitcoin, then things go bananas, and then we might never look back. Okay, we don't have to, but if we keep like the same rhythm that we're moving up here, this slow move up, we can expect maybe in the following week or the week after, maybe a test on this level, and hopefully we'll confirm, okay, we hold the 44,000 and move up. We could even go down to the 42,000, because if we go to the weekly level here, weekly chart, sorry, you will see that in terms of weekly the candles, this is the region where we would find like a lot of support. And so because of this region here, see how many times we touch this region over here as well. So we could do something like this, maybe a quick week, and this is the 44, so it's the other range in the daily chart. So we could maybe have like a week down to the 42, come back to the 44, hold here, and hopefully off to new highs. Okay, yeah. And well, looking bullish. Look at these week candles, guys. Look at these 2 weekly candles. Like, look, a sustainable move up. Like, you see, like it's like pretty big candles, and there's a strong trend going there. How far it will take us, we will see. Okay. I think on Bitcoin that's all. So let's have a look on Ethereum now. Doing pretty much the same thing, guys. Remember, let's move to the daily here. So in the previous video, we were talking about this range here. We can call that 4,000, 3,994, $4,000 Ethereum. Well, that's well, the line in the sand, in my opinion. If we go there, cross, confirm, and go up, well, I would expect maybe, I don't know, something like 8, 9, or who knows, like maybe even more. Okay, it remains to be seen. Let's wait for Ethereum to first move here. We have the merge coming, guys. We have like, well, we had a few bugs on the QM testnet, and well, the developers are working on that, and there will be some testing on this, and some people are expecting the merge to happen in July or August instead of June, like it was said first. But we never know, right? We never know. Maybe we get those bugs fixed, and the core developers like get really confident on that and decide to do the merge. Let's see. Well, the market it's pricing in. The market is like not waiting for that, or people are like, oh, I'll better buy my Ethereum right now and hold it and see what happens. Like, what's the difference 1-2 months later, and I'm getting a chance of buying Ethereum on like on a discount like that. All right, same thing. What I would expect here now for Bitcoin and Ethereum. This chart will be easier maybe to see. We have 2 scenarios. We can go crazy up now, straight away, a move like this, then test go up and keep going. This is like the most bullish scenario, of course, and I don't know. I don't know if that will be good. Well, that will be great in a point, but when it moves really fast, it tends to not go like as further as it could go, compared to a movement where you just starts slowly and then starts to gain speed over time, and then you end up going further than you just like exploding going up. Okay. The reason why is if you just excuse me, if you just explode up like we did here, people get scared, the new buyers get scared, and they just think like, oh no, it's too expensive now, no way I'm buying. But if you like in a slow move up, people get more confident and more like they are more comfortable on buying on that situation. Okay, and then see the prices keep going up, and then it maybe even buy more, and then more people buy, and so on, and that's how the whole movement gets like some speed, because you see people like buy, and then the price goes up, and they, oh well, great, I'm making money, and then they mention with somebody else, or they even buy more, and then that somebody else buys, and they also make money, and then that's how the bubble goes. Okay, So if we have like a smaller move, like here we go up and then drop a little bit and then keep going up, let's draw that. So if we have like a move up and then hold here, move sideways, move up a little bit, and then finally reach that region there, instead of just a very fast and steady move up, I would expect, like, first you would see that bears are trying to sell and failing, so this is very bullish, would be very good sign. And also, as I said, people would get more comfortable on buying on that situation, because it just seems like it's it gives an impression that movement will keep for much longer, right? Which makes sense. So either way we good, and of course I'll be happy with any of those movements. If you didn't buy yet and you're thinking on buying or not sure yet, like, oh, should I buy now or not, what I would do is, if you have absolutely nothing, I would buy a little bit here, like even wait for 1, 2 days, 3 days, see how the movement's doing. If you get a small pullback, then it's time to buy that, and buy thinking on long term, guys. This purchase that you're doing now, if you have nothing here, you're buying and you're holding that. So you buy a comfortable amount of money that you won't need anytime soon, and you can hold that for some good time. And you can, like, for example, if you're buying Ethereum, you can put that for staking and even make some yield from that. So just forget about that money. And then if we have, like, as I said, a test on this line here in the future, then this region, when we touch this line, will be a good reason, a good moment to buy. You just have to wait for the confirmation. So you will see the price go, see the price touch, okay, and then it touch the line, and then you see that it's moving up again, it gains strength, then okay, maybe that's the time. Of course, it can always go down, but then I would say that it would be a very good moment. What I always say to everybody is, like, be ready to all moments, like to whatever is gonna happen in the market, and sorry. And how you do that? You do that by buying every week or every month. It's up to you, like small amounts over time. So you start to accumulate that, you start to create a portfolio, and you just increasing the amount of coins that you own over time. And if we get a good opportunity to buy, then you have some cash spare to enter there. But if we go up, then you already have some exposure as well, so you will be making money if the prices goes up. You don't have to bet the whole thing on just going up or going down. You'll take advantage of everything, right? Because nobody knows, guys. Nobody knows. No matter like how many followers that trader has on Twitter, no matter how successful it was in the past, no matter if it was a good investor, if how many years they're doing this, nobody knows. Okay, nobody knows what's gonna happen. So you have to prepare to all situations. That's how you profit here. You could maybe make more money, let's say, like, oh, if I buy everything now and it keeps going up like crazy, oh great, thank God I bought everything. But then if it goes down, then what you do? You have to hold that bag, right? So that's what I usually suggest to everyone, like slowly accumulate, having some money on the side. So if you have a big drop or like a capitulation event, like a huge drop like we had here, get in with that money on that time, okay? Usually it's a good moment to buy, okay? Let's talk about the extra coin that I was talking about. Keeping an eye on Ape. You guys probably saw that. If you didn't saw, this is the Bored Ape Yacht Club coin. Is the coin they airdrop to all the ape holders, not only ape but mutants as well, and like everybody who had some exposure to their projects. And it's going well. Like you can see, it formed this pretty ascending triangle. So we started trading at $8, around $8, went up to 15, went back to $10, and back to 14-ish again. Tested the line again. See guys, tested line. This is what I'm talking about. This is like similar movement. Like we're testing the line. Let me move that to the daily. See, we're testing the line, and we're moving up. Look at that. Look at this. This is of course in a shorter time frame, but still the same thing. I'm sorry. See, tested and going. Look, pretty much same. Coming down, moving to like a similar top. So Bitcoin went up, topped, down, topped again, and then coming down, tested the line. We could be doing something like this, guys. This is the slow move that I'm talking about, that I was talking about Bitcoin. See, it's going up. We would probably like something like this, and then we get a bad week, like a red one, and then another big one, and then we slowly move back here, get back again, bulls get back in, and then we go up again. And see, it's a slow move up. I know, it's sometimes we just want it to go up and then we make money and then good, but no, it's not always like that, right? And the thing I was talking about, the testing, look at this, it's doing exactly like that. That's what I was talking about. So we have this line here, it broke through on a good movement, like strong. See, it didn't came here and was holding and hanging around and not knowing what to do. It's like strong move up, kept going up, then it came back down, confirmed that, and we were going like ready to go. This will be a good moment to buy. Who knows, right? If we buy ape now here and then Bitcoin dumps for some reason because it's going up for a few days now, I think it will go up here and hold this channel, like test this top part of the channel and hold the prices on this range for some time now. A lot of people buy now, and you can feel the hype and everybody getting bullish again. So I don't think we'll just dump straight away. We'll probably hang around at least, even if we're moving to a lower low, which I don't think we will, but I hope we won't. Even if we're going, I think the price will hold a little bit. And then that is perfect for altcoins, guys. That's perfect environment to altcoins, because then Bitcoin maintains itself like going sideways, and that's when altcoins shine. And this is what we're probably seeing here. What to expect from ape here, how far we could go, guys. So there are two ways we can check that. We can check first the height of the triangle here, just as a guide, okay? And we put here on the top, so that will bring us, I would say something like 23 here. I wouldn't say that much, something like that, because then you test the top range here. If you have like a few weeks on the top here, but I don't think we're going through, like, no matter how crazy people think and say on Twitter, I think it's hard. But we have some good stuff on the Bored Ape team as well, on their ecosystem. They're about to launch. They said, like, they were teasing that on Twitter, that will launch something on April. It's like a metaverse form of environment for all their NFTs and some other NFTs as well. I believe you guys saw the video. If not, check it out. I'll have that on my Twitter for sure. And that launch is coming, and probably this is the move. Like, a lot of people like preparing and expecting that to go up. A lot of holders, like airdrop holders, that didn't sell, knowing that this event was coming, and yeah, people accumulating all that. And let's see, it might be a good movement here. Let's see, maybe 60%. We're going oh no, sorry, maybe we're going like, yeah, maybe 60% ish. Yeah, or even, I don't know, it's a big triangle. I would say we'll move further from the middle range, but let's see, we'll definitely find some resistance there. But I would say, considering the hype as well, it's a new coin, guys. Every time we have a new coin like that, people go crazy, and the hype is just keeps going. Okay, so I think that's it for today, guys. I don't want to keep you guys for much longer. Just want to show you guys the opportunity of Ape and chat a little bit about Bitcoin and Ethereum there. Hope you guys doing well, hope you guys accumulating, and I see you guys soon.